Beautiful. Have you ever tried the best luxury SUV for 2003? Well, there's this. Motion all-wheel drive. Touareg. The Volkswagen that does what other Volkswagens don't.
Can you hear me now? Good. 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 Can you hear me now? Good.
To make the best national network even better, we'll do just about anything.
Callie, get out of there.
Verizon Wireless. We never stop working for you.
Throw something at the cat. Sock or something?
Hold on.
The thing that means most to me is I want to be remembered as a Yankee. You either love or say yes. I enjoy playing at home in front of the greatest fans in the world. And I also enjoy going on the road, keeping booing us and hating us. The bottom line is when you compete, you want to win. I live for this.
World Series on Fox beginning October 18th.
This is a special incentive program.
There's some secret. I'd love to know what it is. You just get me studying. What's worse, that she's taken off her clothes. I bet she's getting herself.
Boston Public, all new, 9 Central Fox Friday.
Eighth inning, 4-1, the Yankees on top. And they turn it over to Mariano Rivera. Who has 25 career postseason saves, a 6-1 career postseason record with a 0.79 ERA. One strike. Do you buy it?
Callie.
Hear those rumors
Callie, turn around. Callie.
that he's not what he was, that his pitches are starting to slow down, and it's starting to wear on him?
I do not. I'll tell you why I don't. The results may be different this year, but the times that he's gotten into problems, the ground balls that were at guys in other years have found holes this year. The little numbers that he used to field down the third baseline and the first baseline were base hits. As far as his effectiveness, in my view, it's the same.
And I would imagine Rankevich
He won everything.
I think a lot of the stuff that went on in this city about Rivera this year based only on results and not on the way he's throwing and the effectiveness. Sometimes if you base things on results, which guys in the dugout can't do, a guy like Mel Stottlemyre or Joe Torre, they know that it's a broken bat hit or a ball off the end of the bat or a little number down the line or a ground ball that found its way through. The most important thing is he's throwing as hard as he was in my view.
Wow, nobody on. Leapfrog takes a strike.
Callie.
Callie, quiet.
Summary is brought to you by Nissan. Really the story of the starting pitchers.
Here.
Brad Radke was good. Andy
Can't
Pettit
see.
was even better.
See, let me show
7
it.
innings,
'Cause
1
yeah.
run, 4 hits, 3 walks, and 10 strikeouts. Soriano broke the tie.
Callie, don't put my sock. Callie, Callie.
Tied in the fifth
Hey,
with
hey,
all
hey,
outs.
hey, 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 dog. Hey, dog.
Soriano, as they have in October's past,
Callie, get out of there.
put the Yankees back out in
Wait.
Soriano.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, her last one.
Go ahead.
Callie, quiet. No, quiet.
Callie, stop.
Callie, quiet. No, Callie, quiet.
Callie.
Quiet. Quiet, Callie, quiet.